Welcome back to Home Trucks. My name is Priya and today we are going to make the viral Halloween ghosts using these foam balls and white sheets. Let's get started. For this DIY, you will need some foam balls, white sheet, some straight sticks or wires, string lighting and floral foam. Our first step is to insert this stick inside our foam ball. And now we are going to stick this onto the foam sheet. Next we are going to add our white sheet. Next we are going to drape our sheet over the ball and adjust it to make it look like somewhat a sheet ghost. You might want to iron the cloth first to get out any wrinkles. But before we go further, we are going to take it off and wrap our string lighting inside. You don't need to be systematic about the lights, so just drape them in there and then drape the cloth. And now we'll see how it looks when the lights are lit. Now that this is done, we are going to add eyes on our ghost. I think these may be a little too big. The eyes that I had cut out from black paper are a little too big, so I'm going to trim them a bit. I think this should be enough. These are still big, but they look good, I think. So let's glue these on. Just dab a little bit of hot glue on the paper and glue it on. And now the other eye. This is our ghost without the lights, and this is it with lights. It may be a little too much transparent, but it looks adorable. So you can display this in a dark corner of your house or out on the porch in the evening. Let us know your comments. Let us know what you think of this and how else would you try this ghost. So these are sheet ghosts, and you saw how easy it was to create them. Let us know how you create sheet ghosts this Halloween, and happy Halloween!